Hello, I am Jérôme Boursier, MD PhD and Professor of Hepatology. I am head of the IFI lab at Angers University in France and head of the Hepatogastroenterology and Digestive Oncology department at Angers University Hospital. We will be very happy to welcome you to the first module of the MASLD Guidelines Academy 2026, which will take place in Angers, France on 27 and 28 August. During this two-day module, you will learn about the basics of the pathophysiology of MASLD, the epidemiology and natural history of the disease, and you will benefit from a comprehensive overview of the non-invasive test for screening and diagnosis at-risk patients. Through a practical workshop, you will also learn how to perform liver elastography using different devices. And finally, we will discuss on how to best set up a screening program. For this module, I will be joined by experts who will give you the great opportunity to interact with Professor Cyril Cossy from Lyon University Hospital and Professor Laurent Castera from Beaujon Hospital in Paris. Join us for the first module of the MASLD Guidelines Academy 2026 and see you soon at Angers.